I'm a pre-K teacher working with 4 and 5-year-olds. And when I'm not teaching, my boyfriend and I, we spend a lot of time outside. We spend a lot of time in the basement where we have a gym set up and we work on routines together. So my health goals when I started taking Organifi were be the best version of myself. I wanted to start getting healthier. I wanted to start feeling better. And once I started using Organifi and seeing how their products work, I started getting my family into using the products. I bought my dad some Organifi. I love the green juice because it gives me the extra edge in the morning. It's supposed to boost your immune system. I love the taste of it. There's no offense about trying Organifi. I would recommend anyone to buy it. The product is delicious. It blends well, whether you're just drinking it straight or if you're mixing it in with a smoothie. It just adds a really good flavor to it. I'll be using these products for the rest of my life. They've changed my life for the better.